Hi there. Thank you very much for coming, and thank you very much for watching. My name is Cameron Hewitt, and I love to incorporate food in my travels around Europe. And let me explain to you why by way of a story. I'm going to go for a walk with you through one of my favorite hill towns in Tuscany, a town called Montepulciano. This is an adorable little hill town where you are on the main square and walk with me downhill just a couple of blocks on a cobbled lane, and suddenly you come across a perfect little trattoria. And you step inside. It's one of these places where the second you walk inside, you know this is a really special place, right? People are having a great meal. And then in the back, up a few steps, you see the owner, Giulio. And he's hacking giant chunks of beef that he's serving out to people as they order. You take a table, and Giulio comes to your table, and he says, "What do you want?" And you say, "We want the steak." Okay? Giulio goes to his cleaver, and he hacks off a big chunk of steak. And then he puts it on a piece of paper, and he brings it to your table. He says, "Is this okay?" And you say, "Yeah, you bet it's okay, sure." So Giulio disappears up into the kitchen for a few minutes, and then they bring out some of the most delicious pastas that you've ever had. And just when you think you can't possibly eat anymore, Giulio comes back with this fantastic chunk of steak. He doesn't ask you, how do you want it done? Giulio knows how it's done, okay? This is Chianina beef, top quality Tuscan beef that was sourced just a few miles away. How it's done is a little bit of coarse salt, 7 minutes on one side, 7 minutes on the other side. If you don't like it rare, you can go to the place down the street, right? You look at this steak and you think, there is no way after having all that pasta I can also eat this enormous steak, and yet somehow you manage. You can understand why I think food is one of the great joys of travel.